Alright, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is clean off the surface. So I got some makeshift Lysol wipes. I'm going to come in here and we're going to clean off the red portion because that's what this is going to stick to. This is what happens when you don't do a proper car wash. I'm going to wait to clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean the other side now. I'm just glad the sun's out. And this is the second week I tried to make this video. Last week it was too damn windy and you wouldn't have been able to hear anything I said. And today, at least early this morning, it was rainy. So I didn't think we were actually going to do this video.
Yeah.
Okay, now we got all that cleaned up. Now we're going to go ahead and get our tint ready. So these are the side markers. We're going to put those to the side.
What the fuck is with this guy?
And then these are the sets for each one of the lights. So as you can see, each one's going to have its own shape. It's going to go in just as you see right there. Now, I believe the ones at the end are shaped differently. Each one's slightly different. So now we have to figure out which one belongs to which. So I want to say this one actually.
Oh shit.
Smaller. I would assume the smaller ones are these. Or would it be these? And data cord doesn't work either. So maybe this belongs to the other side. That looks a little bit better. Oh yeah, there we go. We just had the wrong side. Okay guys, that's yeah, messing with these pre-cut ones, probably not necessarily the easiest one to do. Honestly, I think putting the sheet down and then just cutting it would have been easier. But as you can see, I got the first one complete, tons of bubbles. I got a hole right there. Like, I just could not get this on right, but this is the best I can do for this one. I'm not going to keep fighting it. Like I said, it's already a hole, so if I keep messing with it, this is not going to work. So, unfortunately, it was getting a little hot out here. My camera woman, aka my girlfriend, was getting a little bit too hot. So, she had to go inside. So it's just going to be me. Unfortunately, I don't have a tripod out here right now, so I'm going to go ahead and just do what I can to record the process of this.
the lights, turn off the lights.
Okay, so this is what we got. This one is just as crappy as the first one. You can see there's still air bubbles. I don't know what the hell you're really supposed to do with this. This tint sucks. You can see all the way up. There's air bubbles. This one didn't fit, so I'm thinking this one should have gotten on that one. As you can see, I'm not even hitting the back right there. Here I am a little bit better, but here I'm overlapping, so I'm going to go get an X-Acto knife and cut this, and hopefully that'll allow me to get some of these air bubbles out a little bit better. But that's pretty much, at a distance, it doesn't look bad. Much better than stock. Alright guys, about an hour later, I finally got this all in. If I zoom in, you can see the shoddy work. You can see the holes, you can see the bubbles, look at this right there. But from here you can't, so that's all I care about. Looks good from afar, far from good, but whatever, we got it done. Kind of this much of a job. But it's DIY Try Sunday, quarantine mod day. Wow, it's hot out here. It's about time to go. I took off my mask. It was breathing too much hot air. Anyway, I got my neighbor talking on the phone, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it on this one. The next thing we're gonna do, of course, is we're gonna try a little Wish app. Mod day. You'll see. These came in. Gonna put these, I mean, not like this, but this one goes for the other side, so this is gonna go on just like that. I'm gonna have to drill it on the bumper. Anyway, it's been Mustang Monkeys, another quarantine mod day. See y'all next time. Peace. Actually, hold up. I forgot. Side markers. I'm gonna throw these on real quick. Since I don't really have wipes anymore, I'm gonna use the same soap and water to clean it with. A microfiber towel. Get that nice and clean. Okay guys, those are the only ones left. These I believe go to the front, which look like they're going to be a pain in the ass, and I don't really want to put those on. And this goes to the reverse light, like I said earlier, and I don't really want to put that on because I think I have other plans for the reverse light. So I'm just going to shove those back here. Sorry for my Goodwill bags. I need to take them out, but I don't know where a donation station is right now. These times I'm not really going out much. Anyway, I'm done. Let's take this wraparound look. Okay, so as it turns out, the passenger side actually fit good. Didn't have to cut it. These didn't really have to cut, but as you can see, these corners just don't want to stay. Some of them on the other side I had to cut to actually form it. These I didn't have to cut, but a few things just aren't right. So I may get this professionally done later, but for now, it gives me the look I want while I'm on the road. Still lots of bubbles, but like I said, from afar looks good. Adds really good to the black and orange offset look that I have going on right now. Next up, when I get the new Wish marker, I want to go through how this went, because this was a Wish marker, but that'll be a new later video when I do the side canyons for the rear. But this one, I actually had to cut this one, and I kind of had a slip. Ooh, look at that. If you could see that. I had a slip of the razor right there. Kind of sucks, but had to cut that one. Sucks, I don't know why that one was larger. But all in all, it's done. I'm happy. Took about 3 hours total. Hour per side on the brake lights, and then about 15-20 minutes each. But then I came back out and cut them. So that was another 15 minutes. So anyway, that's it, guys. Look out for the next video. Peace.
Describe what Marcellus Wallace looked like. What? Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say what one more goddamn time.